What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Holy by Justin Bieber and Chance the Rapper. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll double punch your face and drown you in some holy water. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 6th fret. It's only using a few different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need to know is going to be C major. It's 032010. And then G major, 320003. A minor, which is 002210. And then finally F major. I'm doing F, you can do the F bar chord, but I'm doing like an F major 7. I'm using my thumb on the 1st fret of the low E, and then I'm using my ring and pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the A and D string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, and my index finger on the 1st fret of the B. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's pretty simple. Starting on your C, you're going down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Switch to G, down, 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 up. A minor, down, mute, down, mute, down, 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 up. Now the only other thing that you need to know is that right before the choruses, they hold that F chord. So when you get there, it kind of pauses, and then you get, and then into the chorus. So what that looks like is, you hold it there for a second, and then right before the chorus, you get that. And then it goes into the chorus. So again, one more time, it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.